Good morning children, welcome once again in mathematics class. So in today's video I am going to teach you subtract and check. So one question is here written, find the difference and check your answer. So you have learnt now how to do subtraction without regrouping and with regrouping, but you have confusion, maybe your sum is wrong or not. So you can check subtraction by doing the addition. I am showing you one sum is subtraction sum is already written for you. 453 minus 184. First you arrange in the respective columns. 453 and below this 184. Always write the bigger number up and the smaller number down. Do not forget the use of this subtraction sign. And then you do, I am making here circle also, that you have to write the numbers after doing the regrouping. First is 3 ones. 3 ones minus 4 ones. Not possible. So, ones place will borrow from the tens place. Tens place having 5 tens. So 1 10 given here. Then here is 1 3 13 and here is only 4 tens. 13 ones minus 4 ones. Do count after 4 till 13. 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So 9. 13 minus 4 is 9. Then come here again. 4 tens minus 8 tens. Not possible. Again who is going to help? Tens place is going to borrow from the 100 place and 100 place is giving here 100. So here is 1 4 14 tens and here is only 300s are left because here is 400s. Here given 100, so I have written. Otherwise, some of you what you will do, after giving also you will subtract from 4 minus 1 and then your sum will, this difference will come the wrong. So it's better beforehand you write here. Now 14 tens minus 8 tens. Count after 8 till 14. After 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? 6. So here 14 tens minus 8 tens, that is 6 tens. Now 300. 300 minus 100, that is 200. Here you got the difference 269. This number you have to write here now up. Here again 100 place, tens place, ones place. This number I am writing here 269. Okay, write the difference up. And then subtract, that is the smaller number. This place you don't change. This only 184 and you add these two numbers. If after adding that sum will coming to this minuend, that is the bigger number, then your sum, this subtraction sum is correct. Let us check. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4. How to do? See again the use of addition here. So always daily you do practice of at least 2 addition, 2 subtraction, tables you learn daily. Now count after 9, 4 numbers. After 9, 4 numbers. 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 ones, if you write 13, then again teacher will cut here. What to do? You have to write here only 3 and 1 carry forward 1 and this 1 you will count with the tens place number 1 10 and 6 tens 7 and 7 plus 8 tens, that is count after 7 again 8 numbers after 7 8 numbers. See 5 and 3 8 count after 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 15. So here 15 not, only 5 and 1 carry forward. Count this. 100 plus 200, that is 300 plus 100, 400. See, 453 is here the bigger number and here the sum is coming the 453. it means no doubt, no confusion, your this subtraction sum is correct. Children, make your concept more clear. I am solving one more subtraction sum. Like here, second sum is if the 900 minus 325. The process is same. Arrange the numbers in the proper column. Like here 900, bigger number, always we have to write up, and the smaller number below that one. Now start subtracting the smaller number from the bigger number. Now here both the places 0 0. Some of the children, what they do, they are subtracting from this 5 minus 0 and they are writing 5, 2 minus 0 2, and they are writing 9 minus 3. This is not a process to do. I have seen many copies. So please don't do this. I am teaching you how to do. Here, ones place is 0 and tens place is 0. No harm. Ones place is going to tens place, here is also 0. So tens place is going to the 100 place and asking 100 place is having 900. 900. So 100. 100 given to the tens place. 100. So 100 is equal to how many tens? 10 tens. You know the 10 table? 10 tens are 100. So here 10 tens given. But we cannot write here 10 tens because ones place is asking. So tens place is keeping 9 tens and then 110 is giving to the ones place. So here is now 110 we cannot write here 110 ones place. So you write here 10 ones. 10 ones. If you are writing like this, then your difference will come correctly, otherwise the answer will be wrong. Now here 100 place is having now not 900, 800. Okay, now start subtracting. Now it's very easy now to do. 10 ones minus 5 ones. So 10 minus 5, that is 5. And here 9 tens minus 2 tens, that is 7 tens. And then 800 minus 300, that is 500. Now, how to check? I have given you the idea. What to do? You have to write this difference up. 100 place, tens place, 1 place. This number you will write here. That is 575. And the subtrahend, that is the smaller number. Don't change the place. Same place. 325, sign of addition, and then start adding. 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1 carry forward, 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. That is again 0, 1 carry forward, 1 plus 5, 6, and plus 3, 9. Check here. This number and this number both are same. So this sum is equal to the bigger number of this subtraction sum. So your subtraction is correct. So I hope children you have understood that this one. Find the difference and check your answer by using addition.